you have learned about food in the previous classes. So today you are going to learn about foods, work page and worksheets. Today we are going to do the foods work page and worksheets. Okay, it is saying, as I told you, health is wealth. Health is wealth. So this saying is very powerful for us, because when we are feeling good, when we are comfortable, when we are doing our work in time, we feel strength. And in the previous lessons, you have learned about difference between healthy and unhealthy food. And students, everybody wants to eat delicious food and enjoy the taste of life. A part of enjoying the food, individual forgot to focus on the quality of meal. So there are multiple differences between healthy and unhealthy foods, through which you can easily decide what to choose for eating. So always eat healthy food, because it gives you energy, strength to do your work, and you can easily do your work and all tasks in your life. Okay, there are 3 meals every day we are eating. Every day you are eating 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. In the morning you take breakfast, and in afternoon lunch, and in the evening you take dinner. So these 3 meals are having very power. When you are missing one meal, you feel uh, not good. So students, always eat 3 times 3 meals, because this is very important for your body. You can say it is just like a petrol. When uh, you fill your vehicle with petrol, your vehicle will move. And this is similar with your body. When we eat 3 meals in a day, after that we are able to do our all activities. If you are missing your meals, you cannot participate in all activities. So you should prefer all these 3 meals to do your work in your life, and it is very good for you. And you children are in growing age, so this is the importance of these 3 meals in your life. So always prefer, and first of all eat these 3 meals in your life. Okay, as I told you about the healthy foods and unhealthy foods, there is a difference between healthy foods and unhealthy foods. Both these two are giving you strength, but unhealthy food is not good for your brain and for your body. You feel not good when you are eating unhealthy food. So in these days, it's a trendy to take and trendy to buy unhealthy food, but it's useless. You should prefer healthy food in your life. Whole life you have to prefer healthy food. So here is example, as I told you in the previous classes. Healthy food is good for your health, good for your brain, good for your body, and it always gives you strength and power. So avoid to eat unhealthy food. Okay, now it's a comparison: healthy foods versus unhealthy foods. Healthy foods and unhealthy food. Okay, healthy foods. What is healthy foods? Healthy foods are good for our body. It makes us feel good and gives us lots of energy. As I told you, healthy food healthy foods are good for our body, it makes us feel good and gives us lots of energy. And you can see the examples of healthy foods: banana, strawberry, carrot and broccoli. All these things are very good for your health. So you should prefer to eat banana, strawberry, carrot and broccoli. And all fruits and vegetables are very good for your health. And it is referred as the food which is beneficial for health in terms of nutrition, and it also fits your body. So healthy food may be considered as organic food. It should be pure from chemicals. So always prefer healthy food and eat healthy food. Okay, unhealthy food. Unhealthy food is not good for your body. Maybe it is giving you strength, maybe you are feeling good after eating unhealthy food, but it's not good for your body. It is not good for your heart. It is not good for your brain, for your lungs. So you should be aware about between unhealthy foods and healthy food. What is the difference between healthy food and unhealthy food? So what is unhealthy food? Unhealthy foods are not good for our body. It gives us too much fat and sugar and no nutrients. Okay students, though it is giving you fats and sugar and you feel strength and you feel comfortable when you are eating unhealthy foods, but it's not good for your body, it's not good for your heart. So always prefer healthy food. Here are some examples of unhealthy food: burger, candy, soda, fries. So all these things are not good, and not you should prefer healthy food. So don't buy all these type of unhealthy food. Okay, here is a task for you. Okay, you will write, students, at least five lines about your favorite food. You will write my favorite food. For example, I have written here Pakistani biryani because I like biryani. I like here, but you will write maybe some other type of foods. So write your favorite food, at least 5 sentences in your copy. You will write in social studies copy my favorite food, and after that write 5 sentences about your favorite food. It should be healthy, students. Okay, here are some effective healthy eating habits for students. Now students, we are going to discuss some effective healthy eating habits for students. Number 1, eat colorful food. Eat colorful food. What is colorful food? Colorful food means that you are eating a lot of fruit and vegetables instead of fast food. Okay, you should not prefer any soda, you should not prefer any burger, and you should not prefer lots of sweets. Here is written you should prefer colorful food, and it means you are eating a lot of fruit and vegetables. So always prefer fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables, and it is good for your health. So keep in mind what is colorful food. Number 2, avoid sugar. Some children are eating too much sugar. So avoid sugar because it's not good for your health, and it is saying excess of everything is bad. Number 3, eat a lot of fiber. Fiber means रेशेदार जो खुराक है, रेशेदार खुराक है, you should eat that type of food. Eat a lot of fiber. Next, include fish in your diet because it's a source of protein. Include fish in your diet and it's very good for your health. Next, always eat breakfast. Those who are not eating breakfast, you should prefer before taking online class, you should eat something. Whatever you want to eat, you should eat something as breakfast. Next, drink a lot of water. As I told you, at least you should drink 8 to 10 glass in a day. 8 to 10 glass in a day, and during summer you can drink more. Water cleans our body. So you should prefer 8 to 10 glass in a day. So drink lots of water. It is good for your health, and your body. It is good, also good for your body temperature. It will maintain your body temperature when you are drinking water in the form of juice and tea you can drink. Okay, eat food rich in calcium. Okay, eat food rich in calcium. Yesterday I told you egg is a source of calcium. So you can eat one egg in a day. It's a source of calcium, and a glass of milk. It is very good for your health. So always prefer calcium in the form of food. Eat food rich in calcium. It is very good for your health. I repeat all the instruction turn by turn. Eat colorful food. Colorful food means that you are eating a lot of fruit and vegetables instead of fast food. Avoid sugar. Eat a lot of fiber. Include fish in your diet. Always eat breakfast. Drink a lot of water. Eat food rich in calcium. So I think this is effective healthy eating habits for students, or maybe it will affect on your life. So you should follow all these instruction in your life. Okay, next come to the work. Today we are going to do the work page and some worksheets. So you may open your social studies book, page number 20. Page number 20, and also hold your pencil. Okay, student, yesterday we have done page number 19, activity A and B, and today we are going to do activity C, which is on page number 20. Where do these foods come from? Join the foods to the things they come from. Okay, ये चीजें कहाँ से हमें हासिल होती हैं, कहाँ से मिलती हैं? You have to join the things. Okay, it means you are going to match. Okay, number one, here is apricot. From where you are getting it? What is the source of apricot? Yes, it is apricot tree. Okay, you will match with it. Next one is egg. Okay, what is the source of egg? Yes, definitely you all know hen. The source of egg is hen. We get eggs from hen. Hopefully you all are doing this work. Okay, next one, fish. From where we are getting fish? Yes, from river. Next, popcorn. Sorry, rice. Rice. Okay. We are getting rice from crop. It's a crop of rice. Match it. Next one, nuts. From where we are getting? Yes, from plants we are getting nuts. And last one, milk. Okay, what is the source of milk? Yes, cow. Yes, hopefully you have done this activity. Okay, what have you learned in this unit? Okay, today we are going to finish unit number 2. And what lessons we have learned in the unit number 2? Okay, look at page number 21. I have learned about keeping myself clean, keeping my clothes clean, different types of food, how to grow a plant, where some foods come from. As I told you, from where we are getting. There are two sources of our food, as I told you in the previous class. So you all have learned these things in your previous lesson. So today you are going to finish unit number 2, and all these things you have learned in this unit. And here is activity. There are two characters. You can see what are they doing. I'm going to read for you. Okay, a girl is doing, she is cleansing some plates. Wash your hands, keep your clothes clean, keep clean wash every day, brush your teeth. These were the instruction and you were learned in the lesson number keeping clean, lesson number 3. Okay, next, food helps us grow. In lesson number 4, you have learned food helps us grow. Food makes us strong and healthy. And some foods are grown, some foods come from animals. So these are two sources. We are getting our food from plants and animals. And these two children are doing some work at home. So it is a good gesture because they are helping their mother. So what you have learned in the lesson number 4 and unit number 2. Overall discussion is in the given page, and as I have told you, number 1, keeping myself clean you have learned. Number 2, different types of food you have learned, where some foods come from. As I told you, the sources of our food is plant and animals. Keeping clothes clean and how to grow a plant. So all these children are helping their mother. Okay, now today is your last class of the week, and I'm going to repeat the question answers. If you have missed these questions, you can do today, and these questions you will write in your social studies copy. Number 1, which vegetables do you like the best? Answer, I like dash the best. I like dash the best. You can write potato, peas and carrot. Number 2, which fruits do you like the best? I like dash the best. Here you can write, I like dash the best. You can write your favorite fruits. Like you can write, I like mangoes the best. I like banana the best. I like grapes the best. Similarly, in first question, you can write, I like carrot the best. I like potato the best. I like peas the best. So you will write these two questions in your social studies copy. Hopefully you have written and learned these questions also. Okay, in page number 20, you will see some activities. And students, I have done one activity for you. You will make a list of fruits and vegetables, and at least 5 fruits and 5 vegetables name you will write in your social studies copy. 5 fruits and 5 vegetables. 5 fruits and 5 vegetables you will write in your social studies copy. As you can see in the given slides, it's a list of fruit. So this way you can write 5 fruits name and also draw the fruits. You can draw, I know your drawing is very good. So draw 5 fruits and also write their names. Next, vegetables. Similarly, vegetables you will write 5 vegetables name and their drawing. 5 vegetables, and after that you will draw 5 vegetables also. Okay, here is, you can see in the given slide, there are some vegetables: corn, mushroom, broccoli, cucumber, red pepper, red bell pepper. So all these vegetables, you can write your favorite vegetables, 5 vegetables and 5 foods in your social studies copy. Thank you.